eDurban High Court lapho sihlangene khona ngoDuduzile iMK izosupporta uDuduzile Zuma osenkantolo njengamanje. Baba kunjani?
Ngiyaphila, wena uyaphila?
Ngiphile kahle kakhulu baba. Shithi ngizohamba naso namhlanje. Ngiyabonga baba. Kuba kanjani baba ukuthi ba pinpoint uDuduzile kwi-KZN yonke esukumile yalutha izwe?
Umulalela inkulumo ka-National Organizer uComrade Unkuna.
Yes.
He indicated that a Zuma family is not only a target now.
Yes.
Zuma as a person was targeted even before even 1990 because of his activities and a stand and his sophistication to defeat the apartheid regime. He has always been a target. So even when he came out of into the country, he continued to be a target. So that is the first, is a statement of fact. You can go to his history that Zuma has always been a target, and he managed to evade the apartheid systems in terms of weakening it to ensure that we get our freedom. So that it starts there. And when we came back into the country, he's the only person who was able to stick to his roots and develop Nkandla and have his own home in Nkandla. Yes. He never moved anywhere else. And that, remember that the system wanted us to be people who want to look like white people. And he said, no, I will be in my country and I will be in my home and develop my home. So all those things are a club together to ensure that Zuma family is suppressed. They are targeting umntwana ka Jacob Zuma because they thought they finished ngaye uma bembopha engayanga na ku trial. Kodwa umntwana was amongst many abantwana nathi esacomplaina ngalokho. Kodwa bathatha nje ukuthi uma sibulala le voice yalomntwana so bese sibulale ne voice kayise noma esejele.
Yes. So ibheke iphindlela njengamanje bathini abasenkantolo bayalinqoba usisi uDuduzile Zuma icala noma kwenzeka ihamba kanjani iprocess ngaphakathi for umuntu osekhaya?
Iprocess ekhaya kusabizwa abantu abathi bakwazi ukulandela ukuthi uDuduzile uyena owagqugquzela uDlame. I-defense yethu iyasho ukuthi uDuduzile ukhuluma lezi zinto uDlame vele selukhona abantu sebethukutela. Awukwazi ukuthi ucontrol ukudinwa nokungadinwa kwabantu. Ingakho mangithi if you want to reduce it into to detail, you must check how many Zuma family members who were part of the disruption that happened on that during that period. Yeah. You'll find Duduzile was sitting at home, crying about his father who was unjustly arrested. But now it appears as if he said all the South Africans must wake up and go and loot so that whatever. So it's not like that. That's why if you look all over, Gauteng, KZN, everywhere, it was all the shops were emptied, not by Duduzile, and is not spotted in any of those shops. So if you want to arrest someone, locate that someone in the crime scene. And there's no crime scene where you can locate Udud. So that is our argument. And the technical people who have presented themselves, it has proven that they don't have enough evidence that could prove that Duduzile was responsible for the violence. Not him, not even others who are charged. And that's why they are charged differently.
Yes.
Yes, but for Duduzile Zuma specifically, it is a continuous persecution of that family by the system.
Yes. So sibuyele ngaphakathi kwi-MK ama leaders appointwa aphinde abe unappointed. Ithini process yoku-appointa nokunyusa abantu ekhundleni ngaphakathi kwi-MK? It's a democratic process or kunenye system enisebenzisayo?
There are organizations that claim to have democracy and democratic systems, but today those organizations are nowhere because democracy is relative to a situation that exists at the point in time. Right now, Umkhonto Sizwe is only a 1 year or 1.5 year old baby, but he has been able to attract so many people, and it attracts a lot of people who still need some kind of proper orientation. That's why sometimes someone gets in, and then when we realize that person does not have the enough capacity to deal with, then because they are not even elected, they're just appointed and know, can you hold this? That's why most of us are acting. Yes. Because we want to see how much can you push. If we realize that you lack certain skills, then we are able to pull you and then appoint someone else. It's a reality, and we are now growing gradually. We are coming down to launch branches in the VTs where people are voting. That's why now we've been announcing that people must get ready in their VTs, because we want people, when we appoint people, them and people in that VT must have a say, who live in that VT. Yes. That these are the people that we think can lead us. And then we look at them, check their backgrounds, that are there no criminal elements. We have learned certain things to screen people, so that by the time we launch people, we know that we launch branches that have people that are beyond reproach.
Abantu baphumile ngobuningi babo bazosupporta uDuduzile namhlanje icala lihlehliselwe inini, and ungathini kubantu base KZN base Durban for the next case?
Icase izoqhubeka ngomsombuluko lo ozayo siya kuwo njoba lihlehlisiwe namhlanje, kodwa sithi kubantu abaqhubeke basupporte lelicala ngoba kusasa kuzoba omunye, ngoba uma isystem ibhekene nawe namhlanje kusasa ingabhekana nomunye. Kunezingane ezaboshwa iboshelwa ukuthi isystem yaba nemistake yafaka imali kwi-account yayo. Ingane makufaka imali ye-account faka imali. So kodwa leyo ngane akubheka ukuthi ubani lo wafaka le mali, kubheka le ngane ukuthi yayisebenzisa leyo mali. It's a system that doesn't penetrate where is the source of the problem that it is. So that's why we want a 2/3 majority to change this system, to change this constitution, so that it is based on our culture of Ubuntu and be able to delve down on issues that affects the livelihood yabantu. And this system right now, it doesn't do that. That's why we have unnecessary, we have a Louisville that is packed beyond capacity, because people who are there, if you can line them up, you can find that most of those people are things that can be handled or properly, but because the system was developed, it was never changed since apartheid, except the laws that affects the political prisoners and everything. But if you look into most of the system, they're still the same. It's only the change of the name, but the contents and the spirit of the constitution is still the same.
As sekuphele iminyaka engaphezulu eyangamele ku-30 singabantu abamnyama si-government, why it took this long ukuthi kushintshwe isystem?
First of uma ufuna ukushintsha isystem, fanele kusuke ngaphakathi. Okokuqala uyishintsha isuka kuphi iya kuphi. Ingakho one of the pillars zomkhonto sithi we want to reclaim our dignity. Fanele sibe nesithunzi sethu njengabantu abamnyama. Once waba nesithunzi ushintsha le system ikulungele ukuthi ibhekane nobuwena nokuthi wena ungumAfrika ula uphila kanje. Manje njengamanje ake ngithathe nje into elula. Kunama gated communities la. Ayindawo lezi ehlala khona. Mase angikwazi ukuthi ngifike ngiyofaka umuzi wami lapha ngifaka isibaya. Ngoba i-design yalama gated communities, it's a Eurocentric. It doesn't accommodate me as an African nesibaya. And isibaya, it's me. It means me. So all the development, whether in civilization, is not based on African identity. It's a Eurocentric, and this is what the cause that we want to change.
Baba, siyabonga kakhulu ngesikhathi sakho. Sinifisela okuhle kodwa.
No, nani ngiyabonga kakhulu. Nani niphile nje ni ready. Lokuhlala nani ngizokunikeza
iskipper. Amen. Ngiyabonga kakhulu. Balali beNtuzuma TV, siyabonga kakhulu. Sesiyaligoqa usuku lethu. Uyizweleke nawe bephawula abe-MK mayelana necala likaDuduzile Zuma nazinto ezenzeka ngaphakathi kwi-MK. Thina sithi siyiNtuzuma TV, we inspire. Mina igama nguNkosenye ngwabiyela. Until we meet next time. Siyacela ukuthi niqhubeke ukushare umsebenzi wethu, ni subscribe and follow our pages. Siyabonga kakhulu.